syrup, cream, eggs, peanut butter? Oh, this is weird. I'm gonna make it. Happy hour. I'm Dave, the basement bartender. The world of mixed drinks has two sides. There's normal, delicious drinks. The margarita, mojito, Manhattan, martini. Apparently things that start with M. And then there's the world of weird.
Here's your Bud Light.
I ordered a beer.
That is a beer.
I get it. Everybody wants to be a little different and have something no one's ever heard of before. But these days, bartenders are just messing with stuff.
Hold out your hands, please.
This is a sort of play on Scotch. It's a whiskey-infused lotion.
Enter the Peanut Malt Flip. Normal ingredients that I love, but together, let's get this thing started.
Basement bartender.
The Peanut Malt Flip was invented by Angus Winchester in 2006 while relaunching the elegant M Bar in Hong Kong's Mandarin Orient Hotel. The menu featured a tribute to the future of cocktails. After seeing that single malt whiskey and peanut butter share similar flavor profiles, they decided to put them together. It's one of those drinks that when people see you making it, they're a little weirded out, a little curious, and definitely gonna try it. There's nothing weird in it, it just has this feeling of weird.
Can I ask if this entire establishment is a practical joke of some kind?
Let's make it. Start with Scotch. I want a hint of smokiness, but nothing crazy. So I'm gonna combine 1.5 ounces of a sweeter, less peaty blended Scotch with a 1/2 ounce of a very peaty single malt Islay Scotch. To that, add 1 ounce of cream, 3/4 ounce of simple syrup, 1 tablespoon of natural, no sugar added peanut butter, and 1 raw egg. Add the ingredients to a cocktail shaker and shake without ice for 5 to 10 seconds to emulsify the egg. Add ice and shake for 10 to 12 seconds more. Strain into a coupe and garnish with freshly grated nutmeg. Cheers. This drink sounds bizarre, but the taste is more interesting than any other flip I've had. The Scotch provides a malty smoke that's softened by the cream and rounded out with the richness of the egg. The peanut butter, well...
Son, there's no wrong way to consume alcohol.
That's what makes it interesting. Let me know how your interest was piqued in the comments. And boop the like, subscribe, and share button to help me out. Please drink responsibly. We'll see you next time.
They have a vodka that's served in the form of a flash of light.